Hey you guys, it's Asia Santos. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm looking really rough right now. I just wanted to warn you guys, but here we go, okay? Brace yourselves, prepare yourselves. Whoo, child. Okay. Yes. Here I am. You guys, these last 2 weeks have been cray cray, okay? And that is why I'm looking like this, all right? I have been putting my energy and attention to other parts of my life, and I really got to get back to the basics and get this hair and this face, all right, looking up to par, all right? So today I'm going to be doing a mask for you guys for the face and the hair that's going to help me get back to what? I'm sorry you guys, I keep banging into my oven. I record in my kitchen because it has the best lighting and I just love my kitchen, okay? So anyway, here we go. We're going to be using these two products, you know, the Aztec Clay mask, yeah, the Aztec Clay and the apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. So you know I gotta shake this up so that the mother is very well mixed in, you know what I'm saying, and it gets into the clay. And then we're gonna apply it to our hair and let it sit and get dry. And once we wash it out and wash our face off, you know, I should be a whole new brand new woman, all right? That's the goal. All right, now that's the goal. This is honestly the first time I'm trying the Aztec Clay on my hair, all right? I use it for my face maybe like once or 3 times every month, and I love the way my face turns out. It's bomb. So I'm willing to try this on my hair because I need some help. But yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna jump in the shower and get my hair nice and damp so that my product can evenly go through my hair and I don't have to worry about wasting product. And I just want to say thank you guys for coming to my video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. I really appreciate it, and it's free, okay? So I'll be back. Hey guys, so before I start to apply the mask to my hair, I just wanted to show you guys something. It's been, like I said, a while since I've washed my hair, literally maybe like 8 or 9 days. And look at this. You guys see that? Oh my gosh. I hate when this happens, but this is a result of not staying consistent with your washing routine and not sleeping on the right, you know, protection. I've been laying on cotton pillowcases and I just had my hair in a bun for like the last, like a pineapple for the last couple days. So don't be me, be better than me, or else you'll be doing this. Okay, let's get back to the video. Okay you guys, so now I'm going to mix my concoction. So I usually like to take a measuring cup, but I don't know where that thing is, so we're going to eyeball it. So I'm starting out with the clay. So you want to make sure to remove all jewelry and to not come into contact with any metal while using this particular hair mask. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my product. Let's see. I'm going to start with the front. I like mine to be a little thick. So really quick, I'm gonna do this other side off camera and then I will be back. Okay, so now let me show you guys my hair. It's getting hard now. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. So really quick, I did add the tea tree oil to the concoction, and I did this because my scalp has been really itchy and like just really itchy and irritating, and I have not been liking that. And I saw that on a video by, I think her name, I'm pretty sure her real name is Juliana Palencia, and they call her Jujubee. So if you guys check out her channel, which is where I originally got the idea to add the tea tree oil to help with the scalp irritation, she does a great video using a hair mask, and she adds different things to her mask that I would definitely be trying in the future. But yeah, here we go. Okay, you guys, so I finished washing out the mask, and for my skin, so right now in my hair I don't have any product. I'm going to apply my products, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks without products. Okay. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I do like this mask, and I definitely will probably be doing it like once every 3 months. But for my skin, which is glowing, I went and applied this Morning Glow. I got this from TJ Maxx for about $7. But it adds like the moisture back to your skin, because after that mask combined with the apple cider vinegar, it can be really harsh on the skin and make it really dry. But it definitely clarifies, but you gotta add that moisture back to your skin. Okay, so I'm out of time. I gotta go and get my daughter, but I'm gonna apply my products and I'll show you guys the end result when I come back, hopefully. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Once again, feel free to subscribe. It helps me a lot and it's free, so do that. I will be trying to post every week. That's something I'm trying to stay consistent with. Follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook. I do follow back, and if you want some help or you just want to say hello, DM me. I give great advice for, you know, your kids under 2, because I got a 2-year-old, and hair, especially hair. I love helping people with hair, so that's my 2 expertise right now. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I am going to go. As you guys can see, I got my energy going on. Bye, you guys.